What is going on? It's Chill Trader. Welcome to another video. Today, Bitcoin bearish signal is flashing, and right now, as looking at the price of Bitcoin, I think it's falling right now, and it's trading currently at $36,600. Let's check. What is this bearish signal that is flashing, and will there be a correction in the coming days? So stay tuned and watch the rest of the video. I'm going to share with you some of this information, and let's see what will be the possible target if we see a correction. All right, so let's dive right in. And by the way, today is November 13. It's Monday. I hope you have you had a great weekend. And let me know, guys, if you're watching this video right now. Let me know where are you watching this video. Bitcoin is currently trading at 36,600. Ethereum is at 2,000. Almost most of the cryptos is moving on a sideways channel, and right now meme coins, micro caps are pumping. This could be a sign that we are almost on the local top, guys. So be ready and always trade and manage risk when trading. Also, fear and greed index is at 76. I have been discussing this on my previous stream, guys. Keep an eye on the fear and greed index. Previously, when Bitcoin was trading at around 65,000, last 2021, Bitcoin fear and greed index was at 75. And when Bitcoin reached the $69,000, the previous all-time high, the fear and greed index was at 80. And right now we are on 76, guys. So it means that we are near. We're approaching the level where the Bitcoin is already on the overbought area. So let's check some of the news that could affect the Bitcoin's price and, of course, the overall crypto market. So here's the reason why we have been pumping, or the overall crypto market has been pumping, guys, because stablecoin firm Tether minted 4 billion USDT in 4 weeks, according to the data. Tether has minted 4 billion. This is $4 billion. We're talking about $4 billion over the past month, which accounts for nearly 18% of all USDT issued so far. So, you know, when they mint USDT, the main purpose of USDT, or stable coin, of course, is to buy crypto. So when you're buying USDT and when you're transferring your USDT into the exchanges, of course, the number one reason is to buy crypto. That is why we are seeing a massive inflow of money into exchanges recently. And I have showed you the inflows on my past videos. We're talking about billions of dollars. And also another news here, UBS allows wealthy clients to trade crypto ETFs in Hong Kong. So this is another news, guys. This is another bullish news. Swiss Bank joins HSBC in enabling crypto ETF exposure. So this is another bullish news. Not only BlackRock is joining right now, also HSBC, one of the well-known Swiss bank, is enabling crypto ETF to its clients. So this is another bullish news. And also, if you are using Bybit, I think this is a bad news for Bybit users. FTX files billion-dollar lawsuit against Bybit over asset withdrawals. So the reason behind this is the legal action is pursuing compensatory and punitive damages from Bybit regarding the token scheme and the asset held on its platform. The FTX bankruptcy estate, headed by the CEO John J. Ray, has filed a lawsuit against Bybit, its investment arm, Mirana, and various executives. So the reason behind this is, I think, the lawsuit claims that in October 2021, here's the reason why, guys, a Bybit executive privately revealed to FTX that the company controlled BitDAO, now known as Mantle, despite preventing BitDAO as a decentralized organization run by community members. Then in May 2023, Bybit approached the FTX bankruptcy estate about reversing the transaction, even though the value of BIT tokens, approximately $50 million at the time, far outweighed the value of FTT tokens, approximately $4 million at the time. So I think Bybit made a withdrawal prior to FTX crash, guys. So the lawsuit claims that Bybit has imposed limitation on FTX estate, preventing the withdrawal of assets exceeding $120 million on Bybit exchange. Allegedly, Bybit is using these assets as leverage to seek recovery for the remaining balance of $20 million. So this is bad news because FTX is filing a lawsuit against Bybit. And by the way, thanks for the viewers who are joining me today. We have Philip, Lancelot Canoy, Andres Jaworski, same familiar names joining me today. Thank you guys. And also, here's the bearish signal that I am talking about, guys. So Bitcoin, according to the Daily Huddle, Bitcoin showing bearish signal as miners unload $175 million in BTC. So miners are now selling, guys. Miners are now in profit and now they are selling their Bitcoin. A closely followed crypto analyst is issuing a warning saying that BTC just flashed a signal suggesting that a sell-off event may be imminent. So this is something that we need to watch out, guys. Crypto strategist Ali Martinez warns that Bitcoin, Tom DeMark, sequential indicator, or the TD, is pointing to a possible corrective move. So I think this is in confluence with my Bitcoin analysis, because right now Bitcoin is trading. I think Bitcoin has touched the $37,000, which is the bearish order block zone. Later I'm going to show you the chart, guys. But I think Bitcoin is already overbought at this level, although it could still, according to the weekly chart, it could still pump up to $40,000. Lost $230 today. Oh my goodness. That is why we always need to be extra careful. Later I'm going to show you one trade that I have shared in our VIP Discord, guys. It was a beautiful, quick move. So this is the indicator. This is the indicator. Bitcoin, the TD sequential is flashing sell signal on BTC weekly and 3-day charts. So this was the signal. Previously, this was the buy signal, and now it is showing a sell signal here. Remember, the last time TD showed buy signal in both time frames was early September, kickstarting the recent bull run. We also have MiHL, it's Magician here. Do you still think we have a big drop before halving? If you have, you need to watch my previous video. I have explained the possible big or the flash crash before the halving, and also I have included the possible dates and target price for that flash crash before the halving. So that will be the last chance, just in case, if my analysis was right, that will be our last chance to accumulate more Bitcoin if you haven't already. I'm still holding my bags from $16,000, and right now it's almost 3x, guys. What's the value? 30, 37? So 2x, more than 2x from $16,000. I'm also holding my Ethereum trade, XRP trade. I've shared most of it on my Twitter account. So if you are following me on Twitter, and if you're following my trades very closely, congratulations. Today I have shared one beautiful trade as well. So let's check the amount of liquidation in the past 24 hours. Using CoinGlass. So majority of longs are getting liquidated according to CoinGlass information or data here. In the past 24 hours, almost 69% long positions has been liquidated, guys. This is overall. Overall, there's around $13 million that has been liquidated. 6 million from Binance, around 71%. So these are the late comers in the market, the FOMOers in the market. So if you like to FOMO, then this is not the right time, guys, because most of the cryptos right now are in the overbought area. I'm going to show you the chart here, or I'm going to show you the RSI heat map, where it shows most of the cryptos on the weekly time frame, in most of the time frame, are in the overbought area. So it's not the right time to FOMO right now. If you want to FOMO, wait for the correction, because there will be a correction along the way, guys. There is no crypto, or there's no chart that goes up directly without any correction. All right, so if you want to FOMO, wait for the red days, because that's the right time to FOMO, not on the pump. All right, so let's check the crypto market RSI heat map. So looking at this heat map, there, as what you can see, there's no crypto or altcoin in the oversold area. Mostly are in the overbought area, guys. Mostly are above the average RSI, which is 58.64. NTG comes without a retest and correction. I'll show you the chart of NTG, and I can assure you, without looking at the chart right now, there will be a correction 100%, because if there's no correction, how will you take profit? Are you going to hold for a lifetime? NTG. Let's check NTG chart, all right? Because according to me, NTG comes without a retest and correction. Maybe for now, but in the future, I am 100% sure that there will be a correction, because a correction is a time, nothing. I thought it's a ticker. I thought it's a ticker. All right. So nothing comes without a retest. That is correct, guys. That is correct. Almost all cryptos, all of the traditional stocks will have a correction in due time. So again, going back at the crypto market RSI heat map, most of the cryptos right now are in the overbought area. So this is not the right time to FOMO. Wait for a correction if you want to huddle for long term, if you want to carry your bags, if you want to fill in your bags for the next bull run. This is not the right time to FOMO. Wait for a correction and then try to DCA. ETH is pumping. Wow. We should be able to catch the, ETH is pumping. If it's pumping, we have our trade ready in the VIP. If you are in the VIP Discord, just sit back, relax, hold your trade. We got a beautiful entry for Ethereum. If it's going to pump, then bring it on. All right, so going back to crypto derivatives visual screener in the 15 minutes time frame, Cyber is long positions are entering Cyber. All right, Cyber. And this is one of the trade that I have shared earlier before I went on live. I've shared this in our VIP Discord. So let me share it with you guys very quickly here. And also, I've shared this here, the exact same chart. I've shared this in our free public Telegram group. So if you want to join our free public Telegram group, check out the link in the description down below. So this was the price when I've checked Cyber today. So it was hovering at around 7.3. This was actually a breakout play, guys. This is not a FOMO trade, but this is a breakout play. So this is what you can see here, possible double top reversal, but this is about to break the resistance. That is why I have sent a long trade here in our free public Telegram group, as well as in our VIP Discord, guys. So this was the trade today for Cyber. So Cyber, looking at this crypto derivatives visual screener, if you want to trade, guys, if you want to filter the altcoins that could be pumping, you should be looking into this CoinGlass. This is, by the way, a free information you can use. So Cyber longs are entering Cyber in the past 15 minutes, in the past 1 hour. Mostly majority are entering longs in Cyber. That is why I have taken a long position today. Let's check the chart after this. But here's the trade. Long position. Eat soon on correct. TA top. All right. So here, by the way, going back to Cyber. I've shared this trade when the price was trading at around 7.3. The target is 7.935. And here's the update, guys. 41%, I've shared my trade. As soon as I get into the trade, my entry price is at 7.365. Here's the chart, pumping, starting to pump. Secure some profit, move stop loss back to entry. When we are near, this was the first TP here, the first white line at around 7.693. And here's the final chart, by the way. So here's my trade in FairDesk, $830. That was a quick trade, guys. So 7.9, almost near the target. And here's the final result. We have hit the final target, and then the perfect entry and target. Beautiful trade, guys. This was the entry. This was the target. The price got rejected exactly after hitting our final target. So congratulations to those who are in the VIP, and of course, if you are in our free Telegram group, and if you're able to get into the trade, congratulations. And let's check the. I would like to know the current price or the current chart of Cyber. Let's check here. By the way, if you have any chart request, and by the way, all the informations in this channel or in this video are for educational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. If you want a financial advice, consult with your financial advisor. Oh, I think it continued to pump, guys. Wow, look at this. I'm still holding my trade, by the way. Where's my phone? I'm still holding my trade in oh shit. One sec. This is live. This is live. I'm still holding my trade in FairDesk and also in Binance. I have taken 75% of profit, but I'm still holding my trade, guys. Let me share it with you right now. While we are on live. Right. So, by the way, if you have any chart requests or questions, clarification, let me know in the chat section. We'll try to check them now. Ethereum requested. I'll show you the Ethereum chart shortly. And also, I'm going to share with you the trade setup that I have shared in our Discord group. All right, all right. Beautiful, beautiful trade. Also, I've shared this earlier on my Twitter account. So right now, same trade here. This was the exact trade that I have shared in our Discord, guys. Entry price at 7.365. Here's the latest update. 183% using 20x leverage. And by the way, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel. Feel free to click that notification bell so you won't miss any of my important crypto trade and updates. All right, so let's jump into the chart request before we end the stream. It's 26 minutes, so I still have 4 minutes. So let's check Ethereum's chart. Ethereum's chart. Same chart, guys, same chart. This was, if you have watched a previous video, this was the long entry point here for Ethereum. Right now, we are up by... We are up by 3%. But... So... Again, if you have watched my previous video, this was the long entry point for Ethereum. The target short term will be $2,000. And looking at the weekly time frame, we have this. If you were going to, we still have room for a price to continue moving up. Short-term resistance will be this level right here. See this? This was the previous pivot point for Ethereum, all right? This was the previous support. Now, this will act as a resistance. So, $2,500 is on the table on the weekly time frame. We have this oscillator, of course, using chart prime, is still looking very bullish on the weekly time frame. And let's check the daily time frame here. On the daily time frame, we have a double bearish divergence. So we might see a possible correction for Ethereum, guys, but this will be the possible retest area. On the daily time frame, we had this previous pivot points. Right now, this will act as a support for short term. This pivot points here. This was the previous resistance. Now this will act as a support. That is why this was the previous long position for Ethereum. So in the weekly time frame, Ethereum still looking bullish, but on the daily time frame, of course, using chart prime, we have double bearish divergence here. So I suggest, if you are holding your long position, my own opinion, I think you better take some profit for short term. Move your stop loss back to entry just in case the price revisits this area. In that case, we are already secured with our trade, guys. This entry was around 2017 or 2019. So bearish divergence in the daily time frame. On the 4-hour time frame, we have a bullish divergence here, and we have this order block. 643,000 Ethereum is on this level, guys. So watch out for this very specific level. If Ethereum manages to break this one here, I'm expecting a green dildo. All right, so huge big green candle is likely if Ethereum breaks this level, guys. 2140 or 2150 level. Keep an eye on this very specific zone, order block. So possible short squeeze if Ethereum breaks this level. So keep an eye on this. This remains valid. 4-hour time frame. We have this bullish divergence. Oscillator is still below zero, but if this breaks above 2050, I think we are going to see a huge breakout for Ethereum. Huge green candle in the 4-hour time frame. All right, so that's for Ethereum. We have also Chainlink, FX, BingX. BingX. I think this was the previous trade, guys. So BingX, if you are watching this, if you're joining me daily, BingX, my target was around 1.18. I think we have hit the final target already for, that was BNT. That was BNT, I think. So for BNT, previous long was around this area here. This was a beautiful, beautiful trade. Almost 87% from our long position. Even right now that BNT have dropped by a huge, huge, huge red candle here. If you are following my trades, we are still in profit. If you're holding it, if you're still holding it right now, this price had pumped by almost 200%. Massive, massive, beautiful trade from this breakout zone, guys. All right, breakout play, BNT. I think that was 2 days ago. Let's check Chainlink very quickly before we end this stream. Chainlink. Where is Chainlink? Where's Link? Chainlink. All right, let's check Link. So Link right now on the 4-hour time frame is retesting this 50 EMA support. We have a bearish divergence, previous bearish divergence here. Beautiful rejection from this area. So if you are using chart prime, we had a bearish signal here, bearish divergence from prices forming higher high, while the oscillator fails to make new high. Bearish divergence. If you were able to catch this trade, beautiful, beautiful signal from chart prime. Right now, this is approaching the 50 EMA short-term support, guys. We have a bullish order block here. So possible quick long, but this is right now on the 4-hour time frame. The oscillator is still looking bearish. Wait for the oscillator to reach the oversold area, and then I think that's the time you can enter a long position. We have Suham joining us today. My long lost brother. He's one of the OG, by the way, in our VIP Discord. Also, Meow is requesting for BingX, Moff SH, new player for Lancelot Canoy. Grok. I think Grok, be careful with trading Grok, because I think eventually this is just because of the Grok app that was recently developed, I think, by Elon. So that is created because of that. So eventually, if FOMO ends, then there is going to be a sell-off, in my own opinion. So be careful in trading that kind of coins. Short term, this is still pretty high risk, because the we have a wick here. We have a wick, but short term, possible bounce here. Bullish order block. Bullish order block at around this level, guys. All right. So watch out for this 50 EMA in the 4-hour time frame. Again, wait for the oscillator to reach the oversold area before you FOMO into this trade. So for now, possible long, wait for the oscillator, wait for the price action. Right now, we are seeing a buy pressure near the 50 EMA support. So as you can see, this candle wick right here, there's a lot of buying pressure near this zone. But I will be looking at this area. Risk will be around 5%. Reward will be around 15%. That's in the 4-hour time frame. Let's check the daily time frame. Daily time frame, we are seeing several bearish divergence in the daily time frame. On the Bitcoin's chart, on Ethereum's chart, there are bearish divergence forming in the daily time frame. So in the lower time frames, we might see a small bullish divergence, but eventually we are near the local top, guys. Thank you for your opinion on it. Grok. All right. Market clearing all the retails short sellers. Yeah, so I think market is just trying to liquidate the short positions, and then eventually we are going to see a correction, and then the late commerce in the market, or the FOMO traders, will eventually get flashed out in the market. So be extra careful in trading. Always manage your risk, guys. So here, let's check the weekly time frame. This can still go up. We have this pivot point, previous pivot point for Chainlink last January 2022 and also April 2022 is around 18.2 up to 19.5 weekly bearish divergence. So if you're trading, you need to check first the higher time frame and you go to the lower time frame. So here, guys, in the weekly time frame, Link can still continue to pump until $18. Right now we are at 14. This could still continue to move up to $18. Right now we are seeing a small correction. Chainlink forms sell signal. Analyst predicts pullback to this level. So also one news here from News BTC. This was today. November 13, 2023, Chainlink forms a sell signal. Analyst predicts to pull back to this level. So Chainlink could decline up to 12.5. Let's check what's our level here. Short term 12.5. So this, according to this data, they are expecting a pullback up to this area, guys, 12.5. So 12 up to 12.5. This was also the previous support, previous pivot point here, March 2022. So this is the pullback that they are looking at. So I think this is in confluence with the chart, guys. On the weekly time frame, this will be the weekly support. So if you want to go on a safer entry, you can wait for the $12 area up to 12.5, but looking at the 4-hour time frame, this will be our supports here. 50 EMA, shorter time frames. If you want a safer entry, wait for this area right here. We have order blocks waiting at around 10 and 10.9. So this in confluence with the 200 EMA 4-hour time frame. Short term, I think this is a good entry point for Chainlink. This the weekly bearish order block and pivot point for Chainlink. So, all right. So that's for Chainlink. Let's check. What do we have here? Oh, I need to go now. All right, guys, so I think that's it for today. The rest of the requests, I will be answering most of them. Feel free to comment on my Twitter account, because I still have another appointment. I should be there by 7, but now it's 7:22, so I'm late. So thanks for joining me today, guys. Don't forget to smash the like, subscribe to the channel, and let's get in touch on Twitter and in the VIP Discord. So that's it for today. Thanks for joining me. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.